A rallying call this evening for business leaders to get ready to assist with the next stage of crime fighting once the states of emergency have ended. The call came from National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang on Saturday, who was speaking in Mape and Clarendon. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson will report that there's also a commitment from the government to continue investment in border security.
A large chunk of the Ministry of National Security's budget was spent on border patrol. 2 ships and a surveillance airplane were purchased at a cost of over $45 million. It's an investment the security minister feels is paying off and pointed to recent seizures as proof. Among them, a mega bust over 2 weeks ago. The drugs at a street value of nearly 5 billion Jamaican dollars.
Anybody who handles that kind of cash flow is that a small businessman. And if they're doing that every month, you talk the kind of money they're operating in. And just have to admit that they have the capacity to corrupt much of institutions. We therefore need an effective, strong team, fully equipped police officers who are working in comfortable circumstances to identify these things, disrupt them. If we get 2 aircrafts, an additional 2 boats, we can do 24 surveillance per coast. And that's how we caught that man running off to Costa Rica. That was one of the big links where container loads of drugs was going in that direction, then north, and the money comes back to Jamaica, as well as the guns. So our investment will continue.
But border patrol is just one of the security forces' focus. On land, crime fighters are involved in states of emergency in Hanover, Westmoreland, St. James, and St. Andrews South. The National Security Minister said that if necessary, they would ask for extensions to decrease murders. But he recognizes these measures can't be used forever, and therefore he's putting business leaders on alert to assist with crime fighting after the SOE. This would include, but not be limited to, helping parish councils find suitable spaces for taxi operators and vendors.
Because once we come off of the enhanced security measures, we now need crime prevention measures. And I think in that era, the business community and the private sector can play a much bigger role. There are several ways that you can do this. You can support the work of the community safety and security branch of the police by participating more actively in community-based crime prevention activities, such as public education, sensitization program, and public order, because that creates a better atmosphere in the community. We don't need to have the special ops team to deal with public order.
A program dubbed Live Good will be launched by the Ministry of National Security next month, which is to help spread information about public order among vendors and taxi operators. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.